how to change the background wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Okay, so from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on wallpaper and style. From here, to change the wallpaper, tap on change wallpapers. At the top here are some of the default feature wallpaper that you can select. There are only a few, so you got the default background here. You can choose a colorful, you can download it, or you can choose a dynamic background color. So that is the feature wallpaper. Down here is the gallery section. By tapping on it, you can choose a pictures from your gallery. So choose your favorite pictures and then tap on done. Here you can choose to apply the background to the lock screen only, or to both the lock screen or the home screen. Then tap on next. And here you will be able to make some adjustment, such as adding the frame to your background wallpaper. You can move them around, or you can change the color of your background. So here I will simply go back without applying the frame. So I'll remove that. Okay, so we'll choose a different one. So in gallery, you can choose a pictures, tap on done, and then tap on next. In here, you can apply different effects. So tap on the effect button. Here you can choose blur, blur background, grayscale, and so on. So different effects you can apply it to your pictures. After that, tap on the apply button and then tap on done. And here is the background. Okay. Alternatively, you can touch and hold on the lock screen on a blank spot, and then tap on wallpaper and style, and then tap on change wallpapers. So you can do it from the home screen as well. Okay, so you can also select a video. The video works best for the lock screen, so tap on done, then tap on done. Here, if we go back to my home screen, you can see there's no video, but on the lock screen there should be a video. Okay, this video is not playing. Sometimes the video needs to be in the correct format for it to work. Okay, so if I go to change and select a different video, yeah, I'll try that video instead. Here we've got a video for the lock screen. So there is a trim button there. You can choose which part of the video that you want to keep, and then tap on done. And then we go to the lock screen. Here you can see I can set my lock screen with a video background. Alright, so change wallpaper again. Down here you can choose create with AI. So you can use AI to create a background wallpaper using generative AI or Creative Studio or weather effect. So weather will apply to your lock screen. Okay, and we go back. Another option is graphicals. We can choose graphical, a number of different graphicals background that you can download and apply to your wallpaper. Lastly is the colors. You can choose dynamic or a solid color for your background, and we also got dynamic lock screen here that you can apply it, which will automatically allow you to periodically change the wallpaper by itself. So you need to download them first before you can use the dynamic lock screen. And that's it. So that's how you can change the background wallpaper for your home screen and lock screen. Thank you for watching this video.